So look, the market is going down. So what? Tariff news is out. So what? I still got a big win this week. I'm gonna show you in this video how I did it. I'm gonna show you the tools that I use. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step guide. And I'm gonna also show you that if your account is in a negative red, how you can trade on a down market and still turn it into green. So stay tuned for this video. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. You're looking at the ticker RUN, and this is the ticker that I traded that I made profit on. RUN kind of ran itself down, but you're looking at today's market, you're looking at the pre-market, and then you're looking at yesterday's market where I traded this. Now, where did I get in at this trade? I got in here around the top. I always like to buy on the top when I'm playing puts and chase that baby all the way down. Now, I think I got it right here is where I sold it. I did leave some money on the table because you look, it went right down here. But how did I know if this stock was going down, or how did I know to pick this stock? I'm gonna show you two things that help me learn that. Real simple things. One thing, I charted the stock. If you are not charting your stock, it's like you're trading blind. I don't know why you're doing that. You don't want to do that if you want to be a profitable trader. So what I always like to do, I like to chart my stock. So over here, I'm gonna take away this drawing right here real quick. I'm gonna erase this and kind of start from the beginning so you can see. So now I'm gonna go in my tool, and you could do this with TradingView. If you trade with TradingView, I'm just using Thinkorswim because that's what I traded with. But if you trade with TradingView, always chart your stock. You could chart your stock. I think I have a video down below where I show you how I charted stocks in TradingView. So what I like to do when I see a stock, I look at the pre-market, I look at yesterday, and then that's when I go ahead and chart it. I'll draw a line right here, that's some support, and then I'll see some support right here. And then, so right now, I got 3 lines right here. I can kind of see where this stock may bounce, and if I go all the way down here, I just made those 3 lines, and look, the stock hit right here and bounced, broke through that support, and then look, it bounced at this line and bounced up. So this gives me a straight guide on where the stock could be and where the stock may be going. So here, what I did up here, I draw another line. That's some resistance. Anytime a stock goes up and hits that top, that's what you call resistance. That's stopping it from like breaking through. So once I noticed that this stock could not break through that resistance, I kind of looked at this and said, this stock may be going down because it couldn't break through. And then once I confirmed it where it tried it again, I knew it was going down. I definitely knew it was going down. That's another confirmation. I also used a quick thing that helped me find this, and it was unusual options, because this stock did have unusual options. So here's a quick example of what this scanner does, y'all. When you pull up your stocks and you're looking at your trading volume, look at this. Lights up in green, unusual. It shows you where the big money is at. That's over 10K over there of volume. So it automatically pops up, saves you hella time. And what I do, I like to put it in my watch list, so all the stocks with unusual volume, it will pop up in my watch list. So this is a game changer. What it does is saves you a lot of time. It shows you where the big money is at. So I highly advise you, if you got Thinkorswim, to look below, click the link, and get that scanner, and then start seeing where the volume is at. Now, with that tool, that saved me a lot of time. It showed me where the big money was at, and that's what I used. I used that tool, and I also charted the stock. So hey, that was all the confirmation I needed to know where the big money is and where this stock may go. So what I did was I traded this. I swung this overnight because I noticed when I watched it how the volume had dipped down, and that gave me another sign. When it went up here, it stretched. If you can see this candlestick right here is stretching. So it couldn't reach back up there. So I knew it was going down. So in the morning, as you can see, the stock went all the way down. And then at the morning bell, anytime in the morning bell, you got a lot of volume. So in the morning bell, a lot of stocks will tend to rise up. But I knew it was a fake out, y'all, because I already confirmed where the stock couldn't get past. So what I did was I didn't sell off. I call it a fake out. The volume pushes in right here and right here. You probably would have jumped out of the trade, but no, I didn't jump out of the trade because I already charted the stock. I knew where it was going to go. So I knew right away it was on its way down, and that's exactly what it did. Easy trade, y'all. Easy trade right here. Now, this is the profit that I made right here. Great profit, 180. Hey, I'll take that any day, any day. So those are the 2 things that helped me win this trade, make profit on this trade, y'all. All right, so there you have it, y'all. A win is a win. So always remember to take profit when you see it. Now, I need you to do one more thing to help me win. I just need you to hit the like button. If any of this information helped you or you learned something new, then hey, the best thing you can do to support me is hit that like button. If you want to trade with me or see the type of trades that I'm doing, then join my community. I got My Trade EXP right below. All you got to do is click that link, get in there, support the community. And if you got a trade, please share. Please let me know in the comments below what you're trading and what you like to trade. And I will look at those trades and see if I can make a video about it.